We are here in Trinoma in Quezon City for the launch of Closer You and I's new music video, performed by Adie, directed by Antoinette Jadaone, and starring Donny Pangilinan and Belle Mariano, also known as DonBelle. Let's go check it out. Gates opened at around 10 a.m. Fans flocked to the activation area to attend the launch and congratulate their idol. They were greeted by a photo booth and games to promote the event's sponsor, Close Up. The original Closer You and I was performed by hitmaker Gino Padilla back in the early 90s. It was used as soundtrack for Close Up's commercial and became the official theme song of their marketing campaign. More than a decade later, in the early 2000s, the company got Spongecola to remake the song. It was accompanied by a music video featuring then Love Team, Chiu and Gerald Anderson. For this generation, fresh hitmaker Adie puts his twist on the OPM classic, and Antoinette is at the helm of the visuals. Actor comedian Alora Sasam is the host. Various content creators and celebrities also grace the event. Program started at around 3 p.m. Alora called on the guests, who were more than happy to play games with fans. And answer some fun questions about their personal lives and preferences.
Movie date?
Concert date?
Something spontaneous.
Book bag date?
Oh!
When time came to finally unveil the music video, the fans erupted into cheers. To cap things off, Adie gave a live rendition of his version of Closer You and I. While DonBelle roamed around to greet the fans.